पावसाक सुरवात जावन अजून म्हयनो लेगीत जावना आनी 3 म्हयन्या फाटीं हॉटमिक्स केल्ल्या रस्त्यांची सामकी वायट स्थिती जाल्या. सगळे रस्ते परतून फोंडकुलांनी भरल्या. राज्यभरांतल्या सगळ्या इबाडिल्ल्या रस्त्यांची आनी बांदकाम अधिकाऱ्यांची चवकशी करची आनी हो प्रकार गंभीरपणान घेवचो हाचे खातीर आपूण मुख्यमंत्री प्रमोद सावंत हांकां पत्र बरयलां अशें बाबूस मोन्सेरातान सांगलां.
No, I have seen also. The roads are in a bad shape. Actually, just before election, all these roads were hot mix. In 3 months' time, if hot mix of the road, and we have already written, I have shot a letter to the Chief Minister, in fact, to inquire into this thing. Otherwise, need be the officers, whoever of the PWD department engineers, should be taken to task. I think vigilance inquiry should be put up on that. That is very important. I have already written a letter to Chief Minister. Bijapura, Ribandar, many places, even Miramar. I think hot mix is, at least it should last for certain years.
Liability period as well.
And for certain years, either the blame should be on contractors to be blamed only, but main important blame should be on the thing who certifies that this thing that he has done a good job. As far as the engineers are concerned, I said engineers should be taken to task. I have written a letter to the Chief Minister, in fact, to inquire into this, the road mess what they have created.